So this is what we are calling the tri-switch. It's a tri-pin with 2 switches on it. And if you put your hand in here, this is on a push-pull hand control. So with this tri-switch, it comes with a swivel so that when you activate throttle, this will actually rotate with the hand control. And it has a ball joint with 2 set screws. So you can adjust the angle if you need to. So if you have someone that needs their hand a little bit off-centered, that's the comfortable way to drive, you can adjust the set screws so that it's a little bit off-center, tighten the set screws, and it will still rotate in this motion, but it will no longer rock this way. And in this tri-switch, we have 2 limit switches, 1 on each side, and those are wired into our AVQ system, our scan system. So when you rock one direction, it will activate one scan. When you rock in the other direction, it will activate an entirely different, unique scan. What's really cool about this in conjunction is that you have the ability to be directional. Whereas with a push button, if you click it, it might say right turn, left turn, and then go through the different functions. With this, the first scan on this system that we have installed right here, when I rock left, it'll say left turn. When I rock right, it'll say right turn. And then it goes through some of the other functions that are specific to that direction.